This time, class, let us proceed by graphing linear inequality into variables. Okay, now how to graph the given linear inequality using a Cartesian plane. Okay, so first, in inequality, the line or the broken line separates the plane into two half plane. Okay, or to graph the given inequality, okay, we're going to use either solid line or broken line. Ang tawag sa line na yon, class, okay, this line is what we call the plane divider. Bakit? Kasi ito yung line na kung saan dinidivide ang ating plane. Ang dinivide sa ilan yung plane? Dalawa. Ang tawag dito ay half plane. Ganun din yung kabila. This is what we call a half plane. This is the part of graphing linear inequalities into variables. So we have two parts. Okay, the plane divider and the half plane. And next one, half of the plane, which is the shaded region, is what we call the solution set. Meaning, ang pinagkaiba, class, ng linear equation sa linear inequality, in linear equation, magpa-plot lang tayo and then connect the 2 points. This time, after connecting the 2 points, so magkakaroon tayo ng shaded part. At yung shaded part na yan, ang tawag natin dyan ay what we call the solution set of the given linear inequality. Meaning, lahat ng point na tatama dito ay tinatawag na solution set. Now, what if our line is broken? What does it mean? Okay, if the line is broken, it means that the points on the line are not included to the solution set of the given linear inequality. And if the line is solid line, it means that the points on the line are included to the solution set of the given linear inequality. Sabi daw po dito, kapag ang line na ginamit ay solid line, lahat ng line na tatama sa mismong line ay kasama sa solution set. Now, what if ang ating line naman ay broken? Ano ba yung broken? Ganito po. Putol-putol. Halimbawa, yung line ay yung point ay tumama dito. Ibig sabihin, itong point na to ay not included to our solution set. Do you understand the difference between solid line and broken line? Okay, this time, okay, let us proceed by the steps. Okay, steps on how to graph the given linear inequality into variable. Okay, step 1. Boys, kindly read.
Write first the inequality in equation 4.
So we have 2x plus y is greater than, less than. How to graph the given linear inequality into variable. So our step 1 is, we need to write first the inequality in equation 4. Or just simply change the inequality symbol to equal sign. And then the rest, i-bring down natin. Ito lang ang papalitan. This will become 2x plus y is equal to 4. That is the step 1. Then step 2, girls, basa.
Determine x and y intercept or find any point in the satisfying equation.
Okay, so for step 2, we need to apply the x and the y intercept. So we're going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, now, class, how to find the x-intercept? Yes, or Jean?
Y is equal to 0.
Okay, very good. Let y is equal to 0. So this will become 1.
2x
2x
plus
what is y?
0.
Is equal to, then after that, simplify. 2x plus 0.
2x.
Okay, 2x is equal to 4. Then how to eliminate the numerical coefficient of x? Divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2? Okay, cancel. Bring down x is equal to 4 divided by 2. Then after that, write the ordered pair. What is x?
2.
And then what is y? So now after getting the x-intercept, let us proceed by the y-intercept. Okay, so get the y-intercept. So how to get the y-intercept? Let x is equal to 0. Now this will become 2. What is x?
Times 0.
Times 0 minus or plus y is equal to, then simplify. 2 times 0. Okay, 0 plus y. 0 plus y. Y is equal to, do we need to divide pa ba? Okay, what we're going to do now, so just write the given ordered pair. What is x? Then what is y? So after getting the x and the y-intercept, our next step is we need to plot or graph the given ordered pairs using a Cartesian plane. Okay, the first ordered pair is 2, 0. Start at the origin, positive 2, right, left. Right. Okay, this is the location of the x-intercept. Next, y-intercept. So 0, 4. Okay, up. So therefore, after that, we're going to connect the 2 points using a line. The question, what kind of a line? Is it a solid line or a broken line? Okay, this is the rules. So if the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you need to use a solid line. Kapag naman, greater than or less than, broken line. Tatandaan, pag may guhit sa baba, solid. Kapag wala, okay, now what is the given inequality? What symbol is this? Less than. Therefore, we can use a solid or broken? Okay, broken line. So, connect the 2 points using a broken line. Then after that, okay, our last step is the shaded parts. Okay, so how to identify the shaded part of the given plane? We can use a test point. Okay, choose a test point on either side of the line and substitute the inequality to determine if which point may satisfy the inequality. So our step number 4 is we need to apply test point. Okay, our test point, the given ordered pair is always 0, 0. Meaning, we're going to apply test point in our inequality. Okay, so this will become 2x plus y is less than 4. So, papalitan natin si x ng si y din ng 0. So, magiging 2 times 0 plus 0 less than 4. Then, simplify.
0.
2 times 0? 0 plus 0. 0 is less than 4.
Yes.
True or false?
True.
Sino kinain?
4.
Okay, ibig sabihin, mas malaki daw si 4 kaysa kay 0?
Yes.
Okay, now, if the test point is true, we're going to step number 5. If the resulting inequality is true, shade the side that contains the test point. Where test point is located at the origin. Sabi daw dyan sa Tagalog, kapag ang ating test point ay true, i-shade mo daw yung part na kung saan nasaan si origin. Okay, so this is the origin. So therefore, this is the shaded part. So tomorrow, gagamit kayo class ng crayons para lahat to ay ma-shade. So meaning, ito yung boundary line natin. Ito yung ating plane divider na humati sa ating plane into 2. So meaning, itong shaded part na to, anong tawag dyan? So this shaded part is what we call the solution set to the given linear inequality. Okay, for checking, kuha tayo ng isang ordered pair na nasa solution set. I'll give you one ordered pair inside the solution set. Negative 4, sige, let's try. Kailangan maging true ang ating statement. For checking, so get one ordered pair inside the solution set, so which is negative 4, negative 6. Kanino natin yung substitute dito sa ating inequality? So this will become 2 times what is x?
Negative 4.
Negative 4 plus what is y?
Negative 6.
Is less than 4. Then simplify. 2 times negative 4. Negative 8. Positive times negative. Negative. Same sign and like. Add or subtract? Add. 6 plus 4, 6 plus 8. What is the sign of the two numbers? Okay, true or false?
True.
Okay, laging true. Kasi tama ang ating solution set. Any question?